Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick video about an extra thing you should be checking after you have had a crash with your quad. And I need to say a massive thank you to Patreon Steve, who actually popped me a message about this, and it's a great idea. Now, when you crash and you go in pretty hard and you strike one of the props, this, if you're interested, this is actually a Recon FPV Recon 6. I lost my Recon 5, still sad about that, and it's probably 5 or 6 years ago now, but this is my Recon 6. I love it. It flies incredibly well. But the thing is, well, after you've had a crash, there's loads of things you're going to check. You're going to make sure that you know that there's nothing damaged, nothing's come unplugged. You're going to make sure that there's not any kind of grit in the motor bearings. There's loads of other things. However, there is a cute thing you can do to make sure that your props haven't been bent, and it's super quick and easy. And that is, all you do is you sit the quad down. These are actually two-bladed props, but actually works however many blades you have. What you do is you put them tip to tip, just make sure they're exactly the same height, swing one round and check it's the same height again, and then do that with the other one. That means that none of the blades are bent. If any of the blades are even slightly bent as part of a crash, I know lots of us will typically just shrug it off, you know, kind of flick off the mud and try and fly with them again. It will cause lots of inefficiency from that, potentially lots of vibration going into the flight controller, which means it won't fly particularly well. This is another cute little way very quickly that if you've had a crash and you're putting it all back together, just very quickly check that all the blades still go tip to tip, and if one of them doesn't, take it off and replace it, and the quad will thank you next time it flies. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.